Today I am going to discuss pre-contract stage and post-contract stage in procurement. For that, we should understand what is generic procurement process. Generic procurement process comprises of all the procurement activities that typically takes place from the initial identification of a need to the final satisfaction of that need in a simplified chronological sequence. It is possible to view procurement activities as a cycle or a continuous loop. Coming on to pre-contract award. Pre-contract award stage includes identification and definition of needs, procurement planning, development of the contract, market engagement, appraisal and selection of the supplier's receipt, and evaluation of offers. So these are the various steps or stages included in a pre-contract award. Post-contract award stage, it includes the activities such as expediting, payment, contract, or suppliers management, ongoing asset management, and post-contract lesson learning. So this is in general what we have explained to you as pre-contract award stage and their sub-stages, as this one post-contract award stages and their sub-stages. Coming on to explanations of it. Pre-contract award stage includes inception, feasibility, outline proposal, scheme design, detail design, construction information, measurement, tendering arrangements, pre-contract planning. These 9 are the sub-stages of a pre-contract stage in procurement. Inception. Inception means meeting the client, receiving the client's brief, starting to collect the data informations, initial design ideas, and programming the design period. Feasibility, formulating the design brief, including contributions from all the consultants, considering basic options. Outlining the proposal, that is the third stage, establishing a concept in principle from the design, brief requirements, obtaining outline advices from the interested authorities. Fourth stage, scheme design, developing an agreed idea into a coherent working propositions, obtaining approvals from interested authorities. Fifth stage, detailed design, fully developing the idea, incorporating specialist design works for structural, electrical, and heating installations. Coming on to sixth stage in pre-contract award, construction information, detailed working drawings, specifications defining the elements of the new building. Seventh element or the stage in a pre-contract award, measurement, preparation of bills of quantity with numerical measurements of all the materials and labors required to construct the building. Eighth stage in pre-contract award, tendering arrangement, obtaining competitive prices from the number of selected contracts. Pre-contract planning, which is the last stage of your pre-contract award stage, analyzing the tenders and exchange of the contracts between the client and the successful contractors to construct the building as designed and confirmation of it. These are the 9 stages included in a pre-contract stage, which includes inception, feasibility, outline, proposal, scheme, detailed design, construction information, measurement, tendering arrangement, pre-contract planning. Coming on to post-contract award stage. The post-contract stage includes the following: construction on site, completion, and feedback. So, which includes as construction on site, supervision, inspections, approvals, and valuations. Completion, handover to clients and user occupations, correction of defects, completion of contract requirements, and settlement of final accounts. Coming on to last stage in the post-contract stage, which says feedback, lesson for the next project and for the future. So it actually includes the suppliers Relationship also, after getting the feedback, the better you would have checked your performance of your supplier or the client, the better you will be able to manage your relationship with them. So that's all. If you see, a pre-contract award stage includes 9 sub-stages, whereas post-contract award stage includes the 3 stages, where once the contract has been awarded, then just checking that completion of that, checking on the performance appraisal, maintaining the relationship with the various suppliers and the clients, those all stages are included in your post-contract stage. Thank you.